Okay. So do we have any doubts on yesterday's class? So string methods. So the next methods is string search methods. Okay. So still now, so we are finding out a, still now we are finding a, so we are providing the position and then we can find a string with that position. Now, so we can now we can provide the characters and then we can found the which position is having in that character. So that is the string methods. So string search methods. Okay. String first method is in the search method. First method is index of. The index of method returns the index of the position, the first occurrence of specified text in a string. Okay. So first suppose can if you can go to this one. So up to split. So we are completed, right? So the next one is 35.html. So then string search methods. String search methods. Okay. So then UI is a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So then, so we are finding out here. We are finding out here. So which position is having that character or what index of. So then we have to provide the either is. Okay. So it returns the position of. It returns the position. Okay. So then res it is already there. Now 35.html. JS 35.html. So it is in third position. It is in third position. That means so 0, then 1, so then 2, then 3. Okay. It is in third position. Right. So this is what so we are having. So you can find out a word or letter also. Word or letter also. Okay. So then I also. It is having in third position only. Okay. Clear. So the next one is next method is last index of. So it is finding the first occurrences, then last index of it is finding the last occurrence. Okay. So then so if you can comment this one, so then same thing, last index of last index of. Okay. Now we can see. So where it is having, it is in 40th position. 40th position means so this one. Okay. So we can find out the total string length. Console.log. So then text dot length. See, this is the 43. Okay. So then 40th position it is having, this is the one. Okay. So 40, 41, 42 and 43. Okay. Clear. So this is the so index of is finding the first occurrences. So last index of is finding the last occurrence. Okay. So the next one is next method is both index of and last index of returns -1 if the text is not found. If the text is not found, so both the things are, if the text are word is not found, so it returns the -1. Okay. Either first index and last index, both if the text is not found in the given string, so then it returns the -1. Okay. So the next one, string search. String search method. So this is the most important. String search method searches a string for specified value and returns the position of the match. Okay, so the two methods index of and search are not equal. Both are not equal. So there are the differences. The search method cannot take the second start position argument. Second start position argument. Then index of method cannot take the powerful search values like regular expressions. Okay, regular expressions, search methods, regular expressions cannot accept. Index of method cannot accept a regular expressions. Okay, clear? So then now we can say the search method. Next one is let res equal to txt dot text dot search find off. Okay, it is also returns the position. So both are not equal. So it is having the 90th position, 19 position. So both are not equal. So index of and search method both are not equal. So because of index of method cannot accept the regular expressions and search method can accept the regular expressions. Okay. So and also search method cannot take the second argument. Cannot take the second argument. So but this one it will take the search method can take the second argument. Okay, so that is the difference between index of and search method. It looks like same, but it looks like same, but so the difference is search method can take the regular expressions, index of method cannot take the regular expression. Okay, so the next one, string match. String match. So the match method searches a string for match against the regular expressions and returns the matches and returns the matches as an array object. Okay, so it returns the array. Till now it returns the position and it returns the string. Now it returns the array. Match method can returns an array. Okay, now we can see. So same thing we can use it. Let res match method of. So what it returns? It returns the an array. See, index of it is placing 0th position. For suppose if you are having two matches, if you are having the two matches, so I can place it another of. Okay, so then now you can see where it is having. It is having in the index position third. Okay, it is having index position third. So previous it is having 90th position. Okay, 90th position. It returns an array, and so in that array we are having the, so which position it is having. Okay, so then remaining input. Okay, clear? Now the array length is 1. Now the array length is 1. So if we can put, so res of 0, res of 0, so then we will get the of. See now. Okay, so this is what we are trying to search. Clear? So that is what. Till now everything is finding so first occurrences only. So index of finding the first occurrences and last index of getting the last position of occurrences. So then search method search method, it returns the first occurrence. So then match method, it returns the array when first occurrences occur. Okay, so then how these regular expressions accept, how these are regular expressions accept. So previous, so last index cannot accept the regular expression. Whenever you are writing the regular expression, so the the syntax is, so we have to write, so we don't need to write, so this way we have to write. Okay, whenever you are trying to place a regular expressions. Okay, now you can see match method, so there it is, res. Okay, so it takes only one parameter. First, suppose if you are having capital O, capital O, but we are trying to search only small o, then now null, then null. So there is it is, the string is not finding in the original string. Okay, so whatever we are trying to search, that string is not found in the original string. So this method can look the case sensitive also. Now here we are finding the small OF, but here we are having the capital OF. Okay, so then this time, so we can use the regular expression. I means, so it removes the case sensitive, from the method. Now match method, irrespective of case sensitive, so these letters is having or not, it looks. If we can use this or regular expressions, this is the regular expression syntax. So then this is the identifier, regular expressions identifier. So we are having another small class for regular expressions, how we can use this after completion of arrays. Okay, now you can see, so irrespective of case sensitive letters, so it is founding in 90th position. So for suppose I have another OF here. Okay, so then it looks only one time. So then now I'm taking the G for global. Okay, so now whenever we are not giving the G, so whenever it will found first occurrences, then it returns, it is coming from, it is coming out from that finding. So whenever you are giving the regular expressions G is for global, so then it will found the entire entire original string. So now we are founding the two occurrences we are founding. So without giving G, so we can get only one occurrences, first occurrence. Okay, so then, so if you can give the regular expressions identifier G, so then it will find out the complete thing. So then we will get two offs. Okay, so where it is having the length is 2, our so returned array's length is 2, then position is 0 and 1. Okay, clear? So then that is what. So this way we can use the regular expression. Same thing, so index of, we can try to see the index of method. Okay, so where is index of, here it is the index of method. Okay, so then we are finding out here, so is right, is is. Okay, so here, so capital I is there, so then it returns the -1, it returns -1 because of, so there is no position it is founding. So if it is having, so it returns the position of that occurrence, position of that occurrence. Okay, so third position it is having, then it returns the third position. If it is not having, so then it returns the -1. Okay, so the next one is, so we will check the regular expressions it is accepting or not. Okay, so then, okay, to avoid the case sensitive, we have to use the identifier I. Okay, identifier I. Now you can see, because of it cannot accept, So as we said, so it cannot accept, index of method cannot accept the regular expressions. Okay, so that is what. So then we are commenting. So then last index of also same thing. Last index of also cannot accept the regular expression. So now we can see the search method. Search method. Okay. So is, okay. So then this saying -1. Okay. So then so we can use the I. Okay. It will accept the regular expressions. Search method can accept the regular expressions. Now see. So it returns the third. So then G. So wherever we are having, so I can place it another is last. Now you can see G is placed. Yes. So it returns only, it exits only first occurrence. If you can place the G also, it returns first occurrences. Okay, it returns only first occurrences. So if you can look, index of and search and match method, both are, if you can look, both are equal. Both are equal, if you can see. So but so those three methods are not equal because of first thing. So is index, index of and search method returns the returns position, position, right? So this one and this one. Okay, but this one match method, what it returns, it returns the array, or returns the array with matches string. Matches strings. So whatever matches strings are there, so those strings it returns in array format, but it returns the position. So that to first occurrences. Okay, that to first occurrences only. So that is the difference of match method. Now if you can look, so which one is the powerful method in this one? So which one is the powerful method? So match method is the powerful. So whenever we are having the whenever we are having the sites or application in real time, so we can use the match method only. We can use the match method, and the next preference is search method. So if you want to find out your first occurrences only, then we can use this one. So we can use this one, index of and last index of, we can use internally. For global search, so we can use the match method and search method. Okay. So the next one is, so those are the regular expressions. So till now we are seeing, so global identifies I and G for global. Okay. So the next one is string includes. JavaScript string includes. The includes method returns true if the string contains a specified value. If the specified value is there, so it returns the true or false. Okay. So the next one is, where is okay. So res, so let res equal to txt dot includes, okay, is, okay. So what it returns? It returns the Boolean value true. It is there. So that's why it returns the true, right? So then now I can use the OF. So OF is not there. It returns the false. Why? So here capital OF is there. Now we are trying to search is, now we are trying to find out a small OF. Okay. So then we will see it will accept the regular expressions or not. So first occurrences is I. Okay. First argument property type includes must not accept the regular expression. Okay. So includes methods also not accepting the regular expressions. Okay. Clear? So the include method returns true if the string contains a specified value. Okay. So start position and returns it's a true or false. Okay, clear? So next string is starts with starts with. So till now we are seeing so index of method. Okay, so this one are returns position. If the string matches or it returns -1. Okay, whenever any method returns the position, so then that position can return. If the matches is not found, then it returns the -1. So then last index also same thing, last index of. Okay, it returns the position of first occurrences, first occurrence. Okay, so then so this one also same. So last index of also same thing, it returns the last occurrences, if the string matches, or it returns the -1. So the next one is search method. Search method, what it returns? So same thing, it returns the same thing, whatever index of doing, same thing it is doing, but it will accept the regular 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 expressions. Okay, so the next one is match method. Match method. So match method, what it returns? It returns array of matches. Whatever the matches are having, then it returns the those matches, or otherwise it returns null. Okay. If the matches are not found, it returns the array of matches, or if matches are not found, it returns the null value. Okay, so that is one. So the next one is includes what it returns? If the matches are found, it it returns the boolean value. That means true or false. True. Okay, otherwise return false. Okay, so please remember, so whenever we are using so any internal applications, these things we can use. So these four things we are always use these things internally. Okay, for small things we can use. Okay, so that's why I'm saying multiple times. Okay, index of, last index of, search, match, and includes, these are the search methods. Okay, so the next one is the string starts with. String starts with the starts with method returns the true if the string begins with the specified value, otherwise it returns the false. Otherwise it returns the false. Then we can see let res equal to txt dot starts with, right? Starts with Okay, so then is, commenting this one, what is happening, false, it is saying false. Okay, so then if we can use the UI, then it returns the true. Okay, so then we can mention the is, so then it returns the, it returns false. So then, so 0 1 2 3, so we can find out a third position. So then we will see. Okay, true. So what we are saying, so is starts with, is third position is having or not. So if we can change the position of this one, so then again it returns false, because of there is no value with this position. So this position is having in third value, so that's why it returns the true. Okay, so the next one, same thing vice versa. So ends with, so ends with, it returns false, it returns false. Okay, so third position, so then if we can remove this one, if we can remove this one, okay, again it is saying false. So then you have to give small is, so then you can see. Okay, it returns true now, so because of it is having this one. So then we can see the JavaScript, it returns false, so it is always saying the this one. So we need to know, so what position it is having. So then how we can, it returns the position, right? So then, so we can find out the JavaScript. So then res, we will see what is the JavaScript position. 33, right? So then now we can see the 30th position is having or not. See, it returns the false. So how it is checking, how it is checking, so it is checking only last position. Okay, so then if we can found this way, if we can found this way, sorry, so this is what, right, this is having 33 position, res is not defined, false. Okay, so it is always looking the last position only. So if we can look this one, if we can look this one, so it is always again this one starts with. Okay, so starts with, if we can use this starts with, it returns the true now, you can say. Okay, so last with, it's always see only this one. Okay, clear? So this is what, so starts with and ends with. Okay, starts with and ends with. Clear? So the next one is starts with and ends with. Next one is template literals. Template literals. So this is very important while you are learning a React JS or Angular JS. Okay, so template literals. So what is template literals? So when you place any string in a backticks, okay, so backticks means this is the one. Okay, so these quotations, these are the backtick quotations. Okay, So template literals uses the backticks rather than the double quotes to be defined. Okay, so we can define the template literals. So using this one, irrespective of it is not Sindhi, if we can define the, so here we are facing the, so escape characters issue, right? We are facing the escape characters issue. So 36.html, so don't require. See, so we are always, first suppose if you want to if you want to add any double quotes or single quotes, any double quotes or single quotes, so we are facing, we are always facing the escape characters issue, right? So to avoid that one, so we are having some escape characters issues. So then we can use, if we can use like this, if we can use, okay, if you can use like this, so then we can avoid this one. And again here also, so if we can use like this, then we can avoid it. So instead of this one, if we can use the, if we can use the backticks, sorry, backticks, then we can easily print the, we can easily get the output. Okay, so then text, now you can see what happened. It is saying, so 36. Okay, now you can see our double quotes also came and single quotes also came. So when we use, so when we prepare a predefined templates, when we prepare a predefined templates, at that time we can use these backtick syntaxes, that means template literals. Okay, so in that, so we can use any special characters, any special characters. Okay, so this is the way we can define a strings. Okay, so this is called the template literals. When we write a strings, when we define a strings within the backticks, so then these things are called the template literals. Okay, so template literal. So first suppose we can write multiple lines also. We can write same thing in multiple lines also. So there is no issue. Okay, so same thing how we can write, say same thing it prints. Okay, so like paragraph and print. Clear. So the next one is the string interpolation. So if we can define the string within the backwards, so then, so this one is called the template literals. Okay, so the next one is the template and sorry, template literals, sorry, not this one, string interpolation. String interpolation. So how we can define the, how we can define the strings and how we can combine these strings. So that one is called the string interpolation. For suppose I want to combine these both the strings. For suppose I have a, so UI is a combination of, UI is a combination of, so then, so I can define this one is another variable backtick. Okay, so up to here this is one variable. So then let txt1 is another variable. So I want to combine these two things. I want to combine these two things. So then how I can combine? So that's normal. Okay, normal we can do like this, right? Text1 plus text2. Okay, normally in generally we can do like this. Okay, so instead of this one, so we can use the dollar symbol, we can use the dollar symbol. So first suppose we are having the let mm, name equal to so then tracks. Okay, so then if you want to print this one, let res equal to so then we can print like this, welcome. So then I want to print, I want to add this one. So previously we can add it like this, name, right? So we can do it like this previously. Okay, welcome to Teja Live Tracks. So but so using template letters, so always if you want to write, so for suppose when we define a templates, when we define a default template, so at that time so we are having the lot of text, so lot of variables we need to include it, okay. So at that time so it will be very difficult to include these plus symbols, and if the string is properly concatenating or not, so that at that time it is very difficult. So at that time so we can use backtext, we can use the backtext. So then we can use the backtext, then no need to integrate it, so just you can use like dollar and within the braces, so you can use it, okay, within the braces you can use it. So then we can easily print this one. Okay, so it's like a defining a variable. Okay, so then now you can see same output. Okay, so there is no error. Okay, we cannot call in the double quotes or single quote, we cannot call double quotes or single quote. See now we will get the, see, invalid unexpected token. Sorry, here we are having single quote, right? Now you can see it. Same thing it is printing, but I want to print this name. Okay, so then so you have to use the backtracks. These things are called the string interpolation. String interpolation. Okay, it is very helpful when we define